We're going to take a look at how leak stopper rubber Flexx liquid rubber coating can be used to help your pottery. Some flower pots, things you might have around the garden. One, you got this nice ceramic pot, and over time these can get minerals and things leaching out of them. So we can use the rubber Flexx liquid rubber coating to coat the inside of this pot so that as it gets watered, we don't get materials leaching out over time. We also have this very nice pot, but it's gotten cracked on the inside. That's going to damage and it's going to break. So we'll use rubber Flexx to seal it up. So before I apply the liquid rubber coating, I need to make sure the inside of my pots, the surfaces, are clean and dry. So I've got a damp rag. I'm just using it to clean out, get any excess material or oils or anything that's stuck on the inside here. So now in this clay pot, I'm just going to paint all the way around up to this line. Now this is just applying a coating of liquid rubber that'll prevent water and minerals from migrating out through the walls of the pot. So this is really easy to apply. Just get some on our brush and bring it in. Now this will seal up the cracks. Alright, so you saw how easy that was to apply the rubber Flexx liquid rubber coating into this flower pot that was cracked. And that'll get some more life out of this real nice looking pot. And into this one, so it doesn't start degrading and it keeps the water and minerals inside the pot and not coming out the walls. Please comment with any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and have a great day.